more nice room.
Yeah. Yeah, man. These are. How long did it take you to build all of these?
Yeah.
I want to build my own place here.
Where?
I don't know yet. I'm thinking somewhere in Portland.
Yeah? So you already buy the place?
No. Soon though. I'm looking for a good spot right now.
Yes?
Searching.
So where you think you can find that good spot?
I don't know. Somewhere where there's gotta be a river nearby. Lots of trees. Lots of vegetables. Yeah, man. Because I want to grow my own stuff.
Yes.
I want completely free from the Babylon system.
I understand.
Yeah, so just finding that, a space somewhere here,
You will find it, but you have to shop around.
Yeah,
and to be honest with you, don't let nobody tell you to come and do things on the place, yeah? Do what you have to do on your own, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes you can run, Yes,
Yeah, man, it's true.
Yes, I know the culture of the people, And the culture, you can meet somebody and they know how to do it. And then you open up yourself.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, you get. So you have to be very careful with what you're doing.
Yeah.
Anything you're doing, make sure that you are the head of the game.
Yeah.
Don't really let it in nobody's hands. Yeah, because it's human, And when human who don't conscious and sensitive as much and material privilege, then change,
So put my own energy into my own thing. Yes. Instead of piggybacking off of somebody else, create my own thing.
Your own energy, your own paper.
Yeah, man, that's what I want.
Yes. And then you would have success.
Yeah.
When you do things on your own. That way, Don't let me be for you.
Yeah.
When I mean don't let me be for you, I mean in a sense, don't let me buy no place and then you come and stay.
Yeah.
Make sure you buy it with your paper, your name, your this, your that.
Yeah.
Then you know you're predominant and stand confident.
Yeah.
Otherwise, down the line, you might do something where the person don't feel good at, and then like a problem. And you have to just walk away. And you walk away and lose all the resource and the energy that you put in.
Yep.
So I'm not here to tell people nothing bad. That's why some people don't really like me, because I always try to explain this truth to the tourist and to the foreigner. I'm not here to rip off nobody and tell people lie. If I know something is for $1, I told you for $1, not $2 or $1.50. No, I'm here to protect tourists. So to be honest, most Jamaican, they like my style. Yes, I'm telling you.
Yeah, man.
I hear people talk about it, but they don't talk upfront in my face, But they make comment on YouTube about it. Yes, and they will make it now on your page too when we say this thing too. Yes, because they want to push down the people. I'm not here for that. I'm trying here to motivate people,
Yeah, man.
and lead them in the right direction.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Respect.
Yes, that's love.
That is love.
Of course.
That's all we're here for.
Yes.
To share love.
Share love. Each one help each one,
Yeah, man.
And that's where the world's supposed to go. Because we're coming up now in a serious time,
Yeah.
And the only solution for it is about yourself. The government not gonna help you. Because what they're doing is all about for themselves and what they can benefit from,
Yeah.
So you have to figure out a way what you want to do with your life, And life short, Life is not like first time, by a quint it's gone, No, children, parents bearing children, which is children should bear parents. It's the other way around now, So you have to be careful and know your circle. That's very important, to know your circle, know the people them you hang out with and be around, Because you have to be around the right people, and the right person at the right time,
Yeah, man.
to take care of you. So just make sure you're doing what you're supposed to do and keep yourself on the right track. Don't let people discourage you and lead you in the wrong way. Okay?
Yeah, man.
From United States. To be honest, I don't even like United States so much, you know.
Me neither. That's why I'm here. That's why I left.
No, you left?
I left.
You don't live in the States no more?
Yeah, my family does, but I don't.
Yeah? You live in Jamaica?
I mean, the world is my home. Everywhere.
Yes.
I don't really claim anywhere as my home. I
agree.
You know.
I agree. You're free citizen of the world, you know. Because by right, human don't supposed to hold nowhere, you know. We're supposed to live like the rest of animal them.
Yep.
Like the birds and everything.
Exactly.
Anywhere you go, you pitch.
Exactly.
And you feed from there. And then you move on to our next place, you know. But the society just plant you in one place, you know. And put you in house and say, you're supposed to stay here in house, you know. But in the right way of philosophy, we are animal, you know.
Yep.
We are just animal, and that's why I don't even understand some people. That's why they cannot take care of the dog and the cat. They ill-treat them, you know. Because they don't see themselves as animals.
Yep.
They're looking for some form of religious concept and looking for Jesus or looking for God. So they didn't teach them to love animals. They teach them to love human, you know. So that's why people have no self-confidence and don't believe in themselves. Because they're looking for somebody to come and free them. That's why they look to government, politician and all this madness, you know.
Yeah, man.
And the only person can free you, you have to free yourself. No one can do it for you. You have to do what makes you happy.
Yeah, man.
That's why I'm telling you, most people don't like me because I'm an open guy. I don't against people lifestyle. Do what make you happy, right? I cannot replace your happiness. You know? Suppose you want to be a rum drinker. You have no right to say, oh, you're stupid, you should stop drinking rum. What can I replace it with? I cannot replace it. So once you're good, you're good. Once you're good, you're good. That's the way we see life and that's the way we live, you know?
Yeah, man.
Total freelance, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm total freelance. That's why, to be honest, some girls don't even like me, you know? When I say don't like me, they don't like me in like relationship, you know, because they say I'm freelance, they don't want to trust me and blah, 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 you know, because like I don't commit myself to nobody, you know? Yeah, but you cannot own people, you know?
No.
That's what some people don't realize about life. How can you own people? Even your own child, what you claim, say, you bring upon this earth. After a time, you're going to make him own decision and think about his own life, you know. So how can I own somebody else, like a stranger? I have no right to do that. You have to just do what you have to do, you know. Like I always say, do what makes you happy, you know. Once you're happy and good, you're good. And I will not stop saying that. Until death, I will never stop saying that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And big up my virgin Simon.
Yeah.
I'm macho, you know.
Simon,
yeah, man. Simon is my first class, you know, anywhere I'm there in the world, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. We bond together.
That's nice.
We bond together for life.
That's beautiful.
Money and all these material things don't go between me and Simon. I left myself open between me and Simon. Don't sit down and discuss money with Simon. We can ask him back of me and in front of me. I just trust him and he do what he's supposed to do, you know. And he's very honest to me. Yes, I can say that on camera. He's a very good, honest guy to me. I'm not gonna take away nothing from him when it comes to these things. He's a very good guy, you know. And we don't make money come in between with us. We can quarrel each other and say this happened, this happened. No, fuck that, you know. We just live.
Yeah,
a
man.
life we are dealing with, you know.
Good.
So big up Simon to the world.
Big up Simon.
And Macho too. The Canadian guy, you know. I do video with him, you know. Yeah, and big up Jessica too. All these YouTube people, you know. Yeah, man, they are my friend, man.
Yeah, man.
And it's not about money between me and them. We just shoot YouTube.
Yeah.
And I never asked them for $1. No, never.
Yeah, man.
Because I don't think short term or long term thinker, you know. I don't think from here to here. I think about the big universe. So if money will come, money will come when the time right. You know? Yes, it's all just like that. Right, Bridget?
Yeah, man. I was going to say, what's happening with Simon then?
Simon, the last time I talked to Simon is in Thailand.
In Thailand.
Yeah, we saw a video, and then we saw a video of him in his room back in Germany.
Yes.
saying that unfortunately it just seems like it's too expensive for him to come and do Jamaica because YouTube aren't obviously giving him any kind of funding at the moment.
Yeah, go away from that. Everything up back on road again.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, everything up back on road again, you know.
Is he going to come back over again and spend time here?
Right now, he's putting out video because every time he come, he shoot a certain amount of video and he keep them in store. So sometimes when he putting out the video, he kind of trick the people a little because people believe say Simon is in Jamaica, which Simon not in Jamaica yet.
Yeah.
He's already gone back over.
Yes.
Yeah.
Filmed 5 or 6.
Yes.
That he can then release each week.
Yeah.
So now I think it'll be here like November, December.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, because it's Thailand, and after Thailand, you're gonna go to India. And after India, maybe go to Germany for 1 week, and then fly to Jamaica.
Fly back to Jamaica.
Yeah, and chill, you know.
Yeah, it'd be good to see some new content of you guys again.
Yeah, man.
Because we've watched the same one.
Which one the last one you watched?
Oh gosh, I can't even remember now. You see, the problem with watching on YouTube is everything out of order. There's no continuity, so you're certain.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go down to the river. Oh Jesus!
You all right?
Yeah, it's a bit scary going down.
And a rocky slope.
Yeah. All right, how do we get
Under the hammock.
under the hammock? Going to the river. Woo!
Oh, you got it already?
Yeah, they've already gone in. Oh, this is a nice little path. Oh yeah, this goes straight into the water. Goes straight into the water.
Doggy.
Ooh. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, lots of mud. Lots of mud. Oh gosh.
Let's be like behind.
Oh. I don't want to take her phone in there. Drop it. But look at this. This is so beautiful. I took off my swimsuit, fortunately, so I can just gonna be here. Aww, look at how cute.
Come on.
Woo.
Good job.
Oh, little fishies. Wow, look at this view. Hi, puppy. So amazing. Down. I wish I had my swimsuit on, but this is Chucky's little river. I think there's another river up there. That's what he said. There's another river. Hi there, little puppy. Hi there, little poop poop. Little poop